Hello everyone, welcome back to this Microsoft tutorial video. In this tutorial we are going to see that how can we get rid of those error checking flags in Microsoft Excel. While using Excel you might have noticed the red or the green colored flags that randomly pop up on your screen even when you have entered all the correct data. So in this video we will see how to get rid of them. It's a very simple process. All you got to do is follow these simple steps. First of all, you got to open your Excel, go to this file menu. In this file menu, you want to click on this options. In this options, we have this formulas tab on the left hand side. You can just click on that, and here you will find this error checking option. So in this error checking, you can make sure that this enable background error checking is turned off. When you do that, this option will grayed out and all the flags that you were seeing will not be visible to you. There is another thing that you can do, that is set the color through which you are required to indicate the errors. In case you want errors to be of a different color, like right now it's set to green. If you want a different color, like let's say red, so this is how they would be showing. But we don't want to do that because we have disabled the background error checking. So let's just go with it, click on OK, and you would be good to go. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.